Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and I'm back with a cloud pour this time, and I'm going to be using my Pancake batter dispenser to do this one. I figured I'd try something different. I am using the Deco Art satin enamel in my white. And I did not use a 50-50 ratio for that. I used more of a 40-60, with 40% being the satin enamel and 60% being the white. So for this one, I am using some of the same paints I used in a previous pour. So I'm just using the footage from that just to show you the paints I'm using. But I'll be switching up the canvas very soon. I'm using a pouring medium mix that I really like and I've had good success with. For this one, I'm using 40% Floetrol, 40% paint, 10% PVA, and 10% water with a little bit of dishwashing liquid inside of that. So let's say 10 ounces of water with a drop of dishwashing liquid, and I use that to get it to my desired consistency. And the size of my canvas is a 10 by 20, and I am using a Pancake dispenser, and it opens up at the bottom. So for this one, I am doing a few things differently. I'm using a different size canvas than I would normally use with a cloud pour. And I also added my white in a swirly kind of way on the top to see what would show up. You know, how would that affect the cloud effect? I wanted to just play this time around and not be so concentrating on the rules and, getting it right. And I like what came out of this, but I'm not loving it. I would say that I would probably do this again differently, and I would probably not use such a long canvas to do a cloud effect pour. Um, I also noticed that the colors were very muted in this one, and I'm not quite sure why. I think maybe it was that I layered more white than I did in my previous cloud pour. Well, I hope you enjoy the video. I am still working out the kinks in my recording. For example, you'll always notice that my canvas is a bit crooked every time, and it's because I haven't been able to figure out how to get it straight when I'm using this particular tripod with my phone. So things like that, and sometimes the glare from the lights that I use. I have a very small space, and I have these really big lights, and they reflect on the paintings at times, and you really can't see as clearly as I would like you to see. So please bear with me while I figure all that out, and thank you for subscribing, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and of course leave me a comment if you have questions or feedback. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, hope you all have a fabulous week.